Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. Today we continue our learning series about the topic how to understand Austrians. In this video we take a look at the word do and learn how to use the verb tun with several phrases like tuat guad, weiter or Tamma was. By the way, if you want to know more about a specific word or phrase in Austrian German, please let me know in the comments below. The learning goal of this video is how to use the word tun in various situations in Austrian German. In general, the word tun means to do in English. We focus on phrases that are mainly used in spoken form. Now let's take a look at some phrases with the word tun in Austrian German. Tamma was. Tamma was means let's do something. Tamma was. Weiter. Weiter can be translated as go on or come on. Weiter. A common phrase is tuat guad oder es tuat guad. It's the German phrase for something is good for you. Tuat guad. Tut nicht weh. Tut nicht weh means it doesn't hurt. Tut nicht weh. Dies tut mir nicht. Dies tut mir nicht is a phrase to say you shouldn't do it, especially for children. Dies tut mir nicht. Dies tut dir nix. Dies tut dir nix is used to mention that something won't cause you trouble or problems. Dies tut dir nix. Let's repeat the phrases we've covered today. Tamma was, weiter, tuat guad, tut nicht weh, dies tut mir nicht, dies tut dir nix. So, thanks a lot for watching, have a nice day, see you in the next Austrian German tutorial. Auf Wiedersehen.